Welcome to Trading Binary Options, and this educational series project is to be found on binaryoptions.net.au. It is specially made for this website. You can find the project under the trading materials and under the learning and educational projects there. And basically also it would be uploaded on the official YouTube channel, again on the binaryoptions.net.au. Binary options are one of the most traded forms of options nowadays, as in the last year the market to these products exploded in an unprecedented diversity of brokers that are offering such a product. Now the reason for this is twofold. First of all, binary options are simple to understand. They are simple to trade, and the rules are quite straightforward and easy to apply. Also, binary options need mainly technical analysis designed for short-term trading, and this is why they are appealing for traders, as the possibility of making a quick buck, a quick potential profit is extremely appealing yet again. Now, in finance, a binary option is a type of option where the payoff is either some fixed amount of some asset or nothing at all. In other words, if you are right in your assessment, for example, and price moves to the upside, then or to the downside, then by the time the option will expire, you will get a fixed amount that you agreed upon at the moment you decided to trade the binary option in the first place. Now this recording is going to have three different parts. In the first part, I'm going to take a look at what binary options are. Going to have a short introduction. This is the short introduction that you are looking at, and we'll explain also on the second subchapter the concept of in the money and out of the money when trading options, and when trading binary options and regular options, as a matter of fact. Then, still on the first part, we're going to take a look at what types of options are there on the market. What is a call, what is a put. This is just the basics. And then taking a look at one-touch option, 60 seconds option, and we'll take a look at the option builder tool. All the things about binary option that we're going to learn under this project are going to be let's say exemplified using real-time examples, as many as possible and as much as possible. So you will see the one-touch option, the 60-second option, and the option builder tool, how to be interpreted and where to be found. I'm going to use for this project a demo account on one of the biggest brokers that are offering binary options, and if you are in need for such a broker, you can go on the binaryoptions.net.au and choose the introducing brokers that are available there. Then, still on the first part, I would like to take a look at the expiring times for binary options. You will see we have different expiry times from 1 minute to a couple of seconds, to a couple of minutes, and going to hours, and of course real-time examples of options with different expiry times. And also we'll take a look at the difference between the regular option market, the regular meaning the normal option market, and binary options. What is the difference between the two? Why do we need binary options when we have regular options in the first place? From my point of view, binary options are easy to understand and easy to put into practice. So this would be one reason for it. Then we'll move on the second part, and under the second part we need to prepare the trading ground, and I will show you what to take into consideration when trading binary options. First of all, you need one good broker, and like anything in trading, when you're trading either when you're trading currencies, or you are trading options, or you are trading equities, commodities, whatever, you need one good broker. Then the types, you should take a look at the types of options that the broker offers. the potential payout, because there is one payout when you're trading options, binary options on a currency, for example on a currency pair, or you're trading a binary option related to an asset or to a commodity like gold or oil. It depends very much. It has a different potential payout. Of course, the option time frame will pay attention to that one too. And still under the second part, we're going to take a look at the fundamental analysis. We're going to introduce the economic calendar. We are going to go on the website under this on the internet under this chapter, and probably going to take a look at the forexfactory.com, and then we'll take a look what the economic calendar is, what to expect at each release, and how to use this in our advantage when trading binary options. Then we'll look at the difference between long-term versus short-term horizon when trading binary options, and of course we'll take into consideration the news trading. Trading in general and trading binary options in particular without technical analysis makes no sense. Even if we are going to use lower time frames like 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart and 4-hour charts, no more than 4-hour charts, we still have to take into consideration technical analysis, trend lines, channels, basic patterns and shapes like triangles, contracting triangles, how to use them, wedges, type of wedges, rising wedges, falling wedges, using wedges to trade binary options. Basically, you will see under this chapter, we'll take a look at the type of the wedge. If, for example, there is a rising wedge we are looking at, then we should wait for the lower trend line to broke, and then to take into our advantage the possible outcome. Still on the second part, I'm going to take a look at the two most important oscillators out there that can be used on short-term time frame, relative strength index and Williams regression for trading binary option. And you will see how we'll do that. Basically, we'll go on the Dukascopy, on a demo account on the Dukascopy broker, and we'll take a look at the 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, and even 4-hour chart to take into advantage the power of these two oscillators. And I'm going to illustrate only two oscillators, but you can feel free to explore many of them, as short-term moves may be exploited with these oscillators and going into trading binary options. Then the third and the last part of this educational series is going to show you how to actually trade binary options. First of all, you need to choose the right asset, what you have to take into consideration when choosing the asset. Real-time examples will be all over the place. The amount to invest versus the potential payout. I mean, what kind of factors you should take into consideration. Again, real-time examples. What do I mean by real-time example is that we should go and we will go on the market during trading days, and we'll take a look at how to apply all that we are talking about here. Then the money management rules to be taken into consideration, how to avoid classical mistakes, how not to overtrade, the hours, the difference between different sessions like Asian session, European session, North American session, so on and so forth, again with real-time examples. And last but not least, we're going to take a look at short-term options versus medium-term options, because there are advantages and disadvantages on both sides. Again, we'll have examples, and with this, the trading binary option series is going to end. It's going to be a series that will, let's say, start from the basics, and will go to not to advanced stuff, but by the end of this educational series, you will be able to trade binary options by yourself, and to take advantage of the multitude of possibilities such an instrument, a financial instrument, is offering. I hope you will enjoy this series. We are here at binaryoptions.net.au to make you feel comfortable when trading binary options. So let's get to work and keep in touch, and let's move with the second subject.